welcome back to my channel and welcome to all my newbies. Today we are doing a shoe haul from the brand Ego. If you watched my previous videos, you've known that I did an Ego haul before, and I'll link it at the top above if you missed that video. But they definitely have some cute, affordable shoes. Whether you're looking for classy, whether you're looking for party shoes, they have it all. So definitely check them out, and if you would like to see what shoes I got, stay tuned for this video. About 3 pair of shoes. They come in this cute black box with their logo on it, Ego. And the first pair of heels that I ordered, let's see, are these white, let me get the correct name of it for you guys. Let's see. All right, so the name of these are the Tropez Square Toe Quilted Heel Mule in white faux leather. These are too cute, guys. It has the square foot, it has the quilted design on this part of it, and the heel is about 3 inches. Very cute, very classy. You can wear this for a night out with your bae. You can wear this for a night out going to lunch with your girls. I love this shoe. All right, and I ordered this in size 9. I will be trying the shoes on as well, so you guys will see that. And I believe I paid $29.99 for those, which was not bad at all. The second pair that I got, alright, so the second pair that I got are these Fun Chain Detail Clear Perplex Square Peak Toe Metallic Heel. They got some long names, y'all. This is in the color Nude, all right? It has the gold chain on it. Very cute, gold chain. The heel is also gold. And this, let's see, the heel on this is a 4.5 inch. Square toe heel again. Nude and gold, very cute and classy. You can definitely wear this for a date night. You can wear this for brunch out with the girls. This is just a cute, classy heel. So the next heel that I ordered, and I believe this is the last heel that I have in the package. These are so cute, guys. All right, so this is called the Front Row Chain Padlock Detail Pointed Toe Metallic Heel in a tan brown patent color. So it has the chain to go around your ankle, and it has the padlock, which I thought was too cute. The heel, I believe, is a 4.5 inch. Let me double check. Yes, 4.5 inch gold heel, and the color is a patent brown tan color. and this is like a triangle point. But these are very cute, guys. And these ones I paid, let's see, $29.99 for these as well. So I believe all three of the shoes were $29.99 each. You definitely cannot beat that for some cute, sexy heels. These shoes are cost efficient, they're sexy, they're classy. I love the way they look, and I would definitely have Ego as my go-to shoe store. If you have never been on Ego, I suggest you go and check out all of their shoes that they have. They are always coming out with new items, so definitely check them out. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also leave me down a comment below and let me know which heel was your favorite. Would you rock any of these heels, and where would you wear them to? Date night, girls night, brunch, where would you wear these shoes to? All right, thank you guys, and until the next video.